Introducing the 2014 Ford Fusion. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 15,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, a power seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 12 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.